Crisis alert! Crisis alert! Advertisers! Andromeda is entering the chat and your Meta ads atmosphere. So let me break it down so you don't have to, right? Okay, so Andromeda is Meta's brand new AI weather front, a powerful machine learning system that's reshaping how ad recommendations form in the wild, like I am right here. Think of it as a massive shift in climate. AI clouds rolling in all over the place, and they're taking over audience targeting, budget wins, and placement pressure systems. And for you, that means Meta's AI will start doing a lot more work for you, right? But it's also gonna take some steering the wheel, right? We don't all just sit here and relax, we're steering the wheel. So expect less control and more algorithmic automation is what they call it. So this front is already sweeping across the platform. Some advertisers are already under Andromeda's skies, while others will start feeling the changes over the next few weeks. The weather's gonna get crazy, so maybe even days, who knows. Here's what they expect when this system hits your account. If you remember the clear skies of 2024, so beautiful, so glorious and beautiful. You had full visibility. There was no cloudiness. You could set your targeting forecasts, like your interests, your behaviors, your demographics, even lookalike audiences. Right? But in 2025 and going into 2026, there's new climate. The forecast actually changes. You can still suggest those audiences, but Meta will politely remind you, these are just suggestions, right? Suggestions. Then it'll go right ahead and decide what it thinks it will deliver the best results, right? Translation, the old manual controls, mostly gone, not all the way gone. The algorithmic wins getting stronger. So expect a few storms of frustration, but also setting your performance metrics if you're creative and your offer is strong enough to surf the new AI flow of algorithmic Andromeda, right? So let me give you one last final outlook. So automation pressure is an all-time high. Manual targeting visibility, it's slowly fading. Creative and offer importance, peak levels. Looks like someone just tried to call me there, but that is your Meta Ad News weather report for this week. So stay creative, stay adaptive, and keep your offers dry because I am very, very wet right now. And I'm right here drenched in Andromeda with all this Andromeda and everything. It's a lot of drama, Andromeda, and it's all about letting AI drive the wind while you steer the message. And always remember, always wear a raincoat. You never know when it gets wet and wild out there. So stay tuned for more next week for Ad News.